Internet glitch.
Can hear you, sir.
Yeah. So I was asking a question. Is it that you guys did not understand, or so I was asking, is it that you did not understand?
Yeah, I can understand. I got stopped when you stopped.
Okay. Who else understand? A lady was saying that she did not understand. Somebody was saying that she did not understand. I don't know who that person is. I heard somebody saying that what she's using is a user. They call it user. What is showing here? She's not even on call currently. That person said that she did not understand, so that I will know where to start. This type of CSS is called internal CSS. Another type of CSS that we can do is called inline CSS, right? Or in-text CSS. Inline or in-text, like in-text citation, for those of you who are coming from academic background, the researchers here. So that one, you can just write them directly, on the line. It's not a good practice, so, but I will show you. So more to this, I separated it for you to see. There's nothing here too much. So let's count. It's just 4 properties, 4 values with 1 selector. So the next item will be this one, right? Items 1. Fortunately, that's the name we give to it. And because it's a class, just started this way. What do you want us to do to it? Whatever you do will affect all of these guys, right? So is it that you want to give it a background color? Background color. You want to give it this color, this one, right? So want to declare a width. Well, let's give it a 3 pixel. We want to declare a height. Just declare auto. Yeah, it doesn't look good, then you can come back and give it a digit value to it. What else do you want? I want to give it a padding. When you didn't specify the padding size, like top, bottom, right, left, then you just call it like this. Means it's going to take effect round for the 4 corner. So you're just going to declare a very small, let's say 6 pixel. And then what we can do, we can declare by saying color. So this color now will take effect on this element, leaks element. So let's call that one, let's give it a color of white. This is shallow white, and this is brilliant white. So we save, we open the browser. Yeah, and we're gonna go and share, and you will see how beautiful it looks. So our padding, the 6 is not too much, so we're supposed to declare a font style here. We didn't. Font size, sorry. And you can also declare a font size. So on your behalf, though I will show you, I won't show you because you need to be seeing it. So it will not be like I just went somewhere to copy. Come in here, we're gonna say font size. I'm going to declare, let's say 14 pixel, right? And let's increase the padding to 12 so that it will look more beautiful. Yeah. So if you go and you refresh, you're going to see it, right? You know, I can't withstand these two lines, so now I don't want to break it. So let me go reduce the font size to maybe 11. And we'll refresh. Exactly. It looks better. Right? So we can declare this thing, put all of them to the middle, everything to the middle, like this. We can say, let me show you this one. You need to see this one. We can give it a justify items, center, justify contents, center. This should handle it, I'm sure. This should handle it. Oh no, it did not move it. Just sorry. Did not handle it. Did not handle it. Justify. Okay. So since justify content did not handle it, we can just say, just giving it a margin. Margin left. You can just assign a very big margin left of 20 or 50. Sorry, 50%. We want it in the middle. But I don't understand why justify item center should not work. But this will work now. This will move definitely. Yeah, oh no, it's 50 is too much. So let's make it 25. On your behalf, I'm gonna make it 25. So, yep. 25 looks better, isn't it? So why you are seeing it this way, if this thing, if I have to have maximized, you will see it in a very proper way. All right? At maximizing. All of this, we've been doing this and this. We've not started talking about this. You know? So know very well. What I'm doing is